कर नाचू मैं आज छम 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 मैं नाचू आज छम 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 छम
महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ये कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा थोड़ी बॉडी बनाना तेरी चिकने का जो पेट कबल की फसल उगाना अरे चल बेटा शुरू हो जा शुरू बदल उठा के थोड़ा हीरो लगाना किसी बदल वाली को मर्दानी खुशबू सुनाना चल ऊपर के दो बटन ढीले कर तो बताना बालों वाला सीना दिखाना बालों वाला सीना दिखाना बर्फ पलट तू साइकिल पे घुमा है हाईवे पे मोटर साइकिल भगा के देख स्पीड में तुझको अगर सर्दी लगे तो सीट पे पीछे लड़के बिठा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से
To all the dignitaries, respected parents, grandparents, and our children and our teachers. I'm very happy to see the crowd today. Most of you must have seen me once or twice maybe, thanks to my busy schedule. But I had a vision, I had a purpose to develop the health and education sector. So standing here today fills my heart with immense pleasure, joy and gratitude. Every day in my medical practice, I meet children who are growing physically, but I also see something deeper. Their emotions, their fear, their anxiety and their dreams. Over the years, I've realized practice is not just about vaccinations and growth charts. It is also about emotional strength, resilience and having a happy mind. That realization gave birth to two beautiful journeys of my life. Creation of the Happy Minds Hub, where we design emotional health curriculum for children and families, and the foundation of this preschool, Cute Cuddles Preschool, named after my twin daughters, a space where education and emotional well-being grow hand in hand. When we started this preschool, our vision was simple yet powerful: to create a safe space for children where they feel seen, safe to explore, safe to become who they are without being judged. So then the learning becomes natural, curiosity becomes fearless, and confidence becomes lifelong. As a pediatrician, I have seen how childhood shapes the brain more than any other phase of life. The words children hear, the way they are guided, and the environment they grow in, these are quietly they shape the environment and the well-being of the children. That is why at Cute Cuddles we not only teach alphabets and numbers, we nurture empathy, resilience, courage, kindness and emotional intelligence. Parents often ask me what is the best gift a child can be given, and my answer is always the same. It is not perfection, it is not pressure, but presence. When children feel seen, heard, valued, they naturally grow into confident, compassionate individuals. Today, as I watch our little ones perform on this stage, dancing and smiling and expressing themselves freely, I see just more than performance, the confidence being built, relationships being formed, and tiny leaders emerging. But no vision becomes a reality without a strong team. I take this moment to congratulate and acknowledge our incredible teachers, our supporting staff, You're not just educators, you are the emotional anchors, role models, and guides who shape young hearts every single day. Patience and passion are the true foundation of this preschool. Thanks to our dear parents who have trust in us with the most precious treasures of your life. Education works best when school and home walk together. As a founder, my dream goes beyond one school or one program. I truly believe that the future of education must integrate with the health, emotional well-being, and learning into one holistic experience. Our children are growing up in a fast-changing world. They need more than just academic success. They need resilience, they need self-awareness, and a strong sense of identity. Through Cute Cuddles and Happy Minds Hub, my mission is to take health and education to a new level, where every child feels empowered and every parent feels supported, and every classroom becomes a place of joy and growth. And thanks to my little graduates and students sitting here today, always remember you're all capable and kind, and you're stronger than you think. I take this moment to thank my support system, my parents, my siblings, my husband, my in-laws, and the teachers, the caretakers who have been the foundation of this school. The support staff that we have, Ravinder sir, who's been with us almost since 3 years, Pawan sir and Santosh sir, who have been associated since close to 6 years. Thank you so much for being with us, and have a great evening.
Up to this time, I'm really so excited to watch performing by Srilata ma'am especially. Now I understood how my kid developed. My name is Chaitanya. I'm mother of Aaron. My son had a speech delay. We have a relationship with Srilata ma'am since 2 years. She is the one and only person who stood by my son and whatever he is today. It's her. She's a blessing for him actually. So I'm becoming so emotional right now because I never thought my son would stand here and perform all the way without hesitation. So that is a big thing for me. I really thank Srilata ma'am for her efforts, and as well Divya ma'am so much. And this is my son, Aaron. Now, he's not having any stage fear. This is a boy who never came into the crowds. There was a day we feared to come out of the house. But today my son is standing on the stage before so many people without any fear. And I don't know how to thank ma'ams. And also, I should especially thank Divya also. She's being such a lovely girl, helping him all the way with all his needs. And I really take this opportunity to thank you. Thanks, Chitra ma'am and Narendra sir. I have a very deep relation, I should say, because there was a very, as a mother, I had a very traumatic situations 2 times past last year, and they were the only people who stand with us. When we were in the hospital, when I joined my son with dengue fever, he was in a critical stage, I know that. But when I went to the hospital to visit my son, there the staff asked me, are you related to Sachitra ma'am? I was surprised. I asked her, why are you asking me that? No, I never, she said, I never had this experience. Ma'am called me 5 to 6 times all the night asking about my son's condition. So she's not a doctor. I then understand how dedicated she is.
I take this opportunity to congratulate both Dr. Sachitra and Dr. Narendra on this first annual day. It was her vision and her dedication, hard work, which has brought her dream into reality. And I wish them a successful future, and I wish them that they shape younger minds and so that they fulfill their future dreams. Thank you and wish you all the very best.
ఎప్పుడైనా సరే మా సహకారాలు మా ఎప్పటికీ మీ సపోర్ట్ ఉంటుంది. అలాగే ఇంకా ఈ ప్లే స్కూల్ అనేది దినదిన అభివృద్ధి చెందాలని కోరుకుంటూ అందరికీ స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరికీ ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ చెప్తున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ నాకు ఈ అవకాశం ఇచ్చినందుకు. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
కూర్చోండి
అదే పర్వాలేదు అన్న
పిల్లలు
అదే భార్య సార్